Today we solve problems involving uh, determination of integrating factor. So find the solution of y times the quantity of 8x minus 9y dx plus 2x times x minus 3y dy equals to 0. For our solution, first, test for exactness. So where m is equals to y times 8x minus 9y. So for partial derivative of m with respect to y, holding x as constant, then we have 8x minus 18y. For our n, which is equal to 2x times x minus 3y, then partial derivative of n with respect to x, holding y as constant, then we have 4x minus 6y. So therefore, our equation is not exact. Then we solve the difference of partial derivative of m with respect to y and partial derivative of n with respect to x. Then we have 8x minus 18y minus the quantity of 4x minus 6y. So the result is 4x minus 12y, or we have 4 times the quantity of x minus 3y. Next is to solve the integrating factor. Then we have 1 over n times partial derivative of m with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x dx equals to function of x, which is equal now to 4 times x minus 3y, which is our partial derivative of n with respect to y minus partial derivative of n with respect to x, over n, which is 2x times x minus 3y. Here we can cancel x minus 3y. So what is left is 4 over 2x, or 2 over x. Then we solve the integrating factor. E to the power of the integral of fx dx. Then we have e to the integral of 2 dx over x, where dx over x is equals to ln of x. Then we have e to the power of 2 ln of x, where ln of e is equals to 1. Therefore, we have x squared. Next is multiply the given equation by x squared. Then we have x squared times the quantity of y times 8x minus 9y dx plus 2x times x minus 3y dy equals to 0. Distribute x squared and factored out. Then we have x squared y times 8x minus 9y dx plus 2x cubed times x minus 3y dy equals to 0. Then taking partial derivative of m with respect to y, then we have 8x cubed minus 18x squared y. Then our partial derivative of n with respect to x, then we have also 8x cubed minus 18x squared y. So therefore, our equation is now exact. Then we solve the equation using exact solution. We use the second method. It is the summation of the integral of direct integration plus the integral of non-direct integration equals to the integral of 0. Where our di is 0 or none. Then our NDI, so we choose n as our NDI. So we have now the integral of 2x cubed times the quantity of x minus 3y dy equals to the integral of 0. Distributing dy, then an integrate, then we have 2x to the 4th y minus 6x cubed y squared over 2 equals to c. Then simplifying, we have 2x to the fourth y minus 3x cubed y squared equals to c. Or we have x cubed y times the quantity of 2x minus 3y equals to c.